Good morning. Mr. here. I'm actually in Leicester Square, as you can tell. I'm actually up here in London today because I'm actually going on a photo walk with a community of photographers, meeting later on at the Photographers Gallery. So I thought I'd just come out a bit earlier today and wander around, just see what's about early in the morning in London. I'm going to take a walk around. I've got my camera on aperture priority and I've set my ISO sensitivity to basically shutter speeds minimum of 250 and maximum ISO of 3200. And obviously I'm going to just walk around, see what I can find, maybe do a bit of street photography, maybe some sort of shots of the actual iconic scenery around London. And then basically obviously from here I'll be actually going on to my social sort of community walk with a bunch of photographers. I won't be filming that because obviously other people on there, so respect their privacy. But I will show any photos I get from that walk along at the end of the video. So hope you join me. Let's go. Okay, so as you can see, I'll be filming in point of view today, and I'm actually going to be just shooting on my Nikon D3500 with the 18-140mm lens, and I'm shooting mostly on aperture priority. And like I said, I've set my ISO sensitivity to minimum shutter speed of 250, 1/250, and obviously my ISO to max out at 3200, because I know that's a limitation on my camera. That way at the moment, because I'm just going to be sort of practicing some street photography, I don't have to worry about my ISO or my shutter speeds. Yes, obviously I might have some issues with the ISO, but obviously I'll try and correct that in post where I can. But it's more about actually just trying to get some practice with the street photography and actually hopefully get some compositions, and obviously I can sort of worry about fixing these later and rather get the shot than not. So I'm going to take a walk out through Chinatown and see what we can spot around there. As I say, it's early in the morning at the moment. I've got a meet later on for this photo walk, and yeah, hopefully that will be worthwhile as well. I'm just going to walk around here and see what we can get. So just going to wander around here, see if there's any shots, like some shots of the lanterns just to get started. So obviously this time of morning you can get a lot of people doing deliveries and stuff like that. So just get a little shot in your book. Let's go close up the lanterns. Let's see if we can find a nice picture of right work. Let's see the lanterns. Oh, a bit overexposed at the moment, so let me just adjust that. I like a bit wire. I've got my it's not too high. I forgot to change the settings. So it's going to change the settings again now. I'm just sure about F8. So it's just going to be yeah, that's a better shot. Going to get close up with the antlers as well here. Again, just you never know. It might make a good shot, it might not. So I'm going to wander through Chinatown and see what I can see around here. Yes, obviously usually later on today we've just seen Seine around here, so I thought it might be nice to come and see what it's like early in the morning, and there might be some opportunities. And I think what we're going to do, we're going to literally walk from Chinatown and sort of head our way up to the Photographers Gallery. And that's where I'm going to end the walk. And I say I'm going to be meeting up with a few guys, and we'll do a photo walk for the rest of the day, and we'll see what we can find. And I will include some images from that photo walk, drawing sorry, at the end of this video. Obviously I'm not going to be filming that because obviously the other people in the group may not want to be filmed, and obviously I don't want to, but we'll have to ask them to make sure that they're happy with me filming, so I'd rather just concentrate on the actual photo, focus on that, and then yeah, hopefully get a better sort of appreciation of it. And so I'm also trying down around saying it's just I still struggle to spot street photo opportunities. Mainly because I struggle with shooting from the hip and stuff like that. Interesting to know, obviously, if you come up here at all, what your hotspots are for street photography and stuff like that. I'll say I'm not brilliant at street photography, I'm still learning as I go. I'm still trying to find my sort of styles and stuff. The other thing I find with street photography still is I still find myself very apprehensive because of the fact that I'm not confident enough shooting just random people. I feel like I'm intruding. I don't know, obviously it's just capturing everyday life in its natural form. But yeah, I just feel like basically it's a little bit intrusive sometimes, and I feel like I shouldn't be doing it. I don't know, everyone does. There's quite a bit of the shot here through the pallets. I'll have a quick look and see. Using like a frame. We'll see. I'll give it a try. I was just taking a walk down here. Obviously it's a bit manic here today because it's actually going to be an event going on around this area. But this is where the new Banksy statue is. So I thought I was going to have a look because I haven't actually been here to see it yet. But this actually was erected I think a few months ago. So I've just come down to have a look. So I'm interested to see what it is. All about. This is it, it's just behind me. So interesting, yeah, to know if you come down and see this still, see what you think of it. It's an interesting statue. I was going to get back a bit and get out of the way a bit so I can take a photograph of it. Because yeah, it's an interesting statue. But yeah, so it's the statue here of the man on the hip. And this is the new Banksy that popped up in London a few months ago. Take a couple of shots of that. But so as you see, there's a lot going on here today, and this is primarily because I believe it is Trooping Colour for the weekend. Let's see if we can get a picture over here actually, because there's an interesting guy in the doorway. I can see if I'll get a shot at all. It'd be good if you was to walk over into the doorway itself. But unfortunately there's not people going in and out at the hotel at the moment. So I'm just going to wait for a second, see if I can get a shot of them as we're going in. Just interesting shot. It's wearing just a interesting outfit. And again, I'm not sure it works, but I'm thinking I know obviously street photography is subjective. Hello. Well, I've made it to the photographer's gallery. I've obviously done a little point of view video leading up to this. As I said, it was just a warm up really, because I'm about to go on a photo walk with a bunch of other photographers. We're all going to meet up inside the gallery. So hopefully I've got some shots along the way, which I'll show you now at the end. And I'll also include some shots from the photo walk I've gone today with the actual guys. And obviously, as always, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.